You've tried countless gut cleanses before, juices, teas, pills, and yet you still feel sluggish, bloated, and weighed down. If you're craving a real transformation, something sustainable and genuinely revitalizing, this is your answer. A plant-based gut cleanse using apple and pear that not only resets digestion but leaves you feeling noticeably lighter. In this comprehensive guide, you'll discover why apples and pears are the ultimate gut cleansing duo, how they repair your digestion, soothe inflammation, boost energy, and trigger a deeper sense of wellness. At the end, you'll get a complete recipe that's easy to make, delicious to drink, and transformative in results. Why this cleanse works so powerfully. Apples and pears are rich in fiber-soluble and insoluble that gently sweeps through your digestive tract, promoting bowel regularity and flushing out sluggish waste. Pectin, a soluble fiber abundant in apples and pears, binds with toxins and excess cholesterol, guiding them out of your digestive system. At the same time, the insoluble fiber helps move food efficiently through your intestines, curbing stubborn constipation and bloat. These gentle mechanisms paired with natural fruit sugars deliver calm, sustained energy, not the jitters and crashes you get from processed cleanses. The science behind the benefits. Medical research shows that soluble fibers like pectin feed beneficial gut bacteria, improving microbiome diversity and reducing inflammation in the digestive lining. A healthy microbiome supports immune function, mental clarity, and better absorption of vitamins. Regular intake of apple and pear fiber has been associated with lower markers of systemic inflammation and improved metabolic markers like insulin sensitivity and blood lipid profiles. You're not just cleansing, you're nourishing a long-term shift toward vitality. What you'll feel differently: less bloating and improved abdominal comfort, lighter body and clothes fitting more eyes, better mental clarity and mood balance, stable.com energy throughout the day, more regular digestion, and fewer cravings. How to use the cleanse effectively. This strategic cleanse spans 7 consecutive mornings. Why mornings? Because your digestive system resets overnight, and early day fiber helps kickstart circulation, gut motility, and hydration. Pair each serving with half a liter of water to ensure smooth passage of fiber and promote hydration. Avoid heavy meals for 30 to 60 minutes afterward to let the cleanse work. You're building a ritual that primes your gut each morning. Simple, repeatable, sustainable. Who should try this cleanse? If you feel bogged down by frequent bloating after meals, irregular or sluggish bowel movements, persistent fatigue despite enough sleep, brain fog or slow cognitive performance, sugar or snack cravings mid-afternoon, this cleanse offers a natural solution without harsh detox artifacts or diuretic overstimulation. How apple and pear co-cleanse synergizes. Apples bring crisp sweetness, higher pectin concentration, and natural polyphenols that fight inflammation. Pears add smoother texture, gentle sweetness, and ample mucilage slippery fiber that soothes irritated gut lining. Combined, they deliver a balanced mouthfeel and gentler flavor, while amplifying the fiber synergy in every sip. Step-by-step morning protocol. Wake up and hydrate with a glass of warm lemon water, optional. Blend or juice 1 medium apple and 1 medium pear, skins included if organic, or peeled if not. Add half a cup of filtered water if blending, use less if juicing. Drink slowly over 5 to 10 minutes. Mindfully wait at least 30 minutes before eating anything else. Sip warm herbal tea if desired. Continue regular hydration throughout the day. Tips to maximize the cleanse. Choose organic apples and pears to minimize pesticide exposure, or peel conventional fruit thoroughly. If you have sensitive digestion, start with half an apple and half a pear and build up gradually. Stay hydrated throughout the day with at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water. Keep meals light and plant-based during the cleanse week to avoid digestive overload. What to avoid during the cleanse: heavy fried foods, alcohol, dairy, refined sugars, carbonated beverages, and caffeine-heavy drinks. Large meals late at night. Give digestive rest. After the 7-day cleanse, once you complete a full week, transition gradually. Continue with 1 apple-pear drink every other morning or twice a week as a gut reset ritual. Maintain a whole food, plant-rich diet with legumes, vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds, and fermented foods like kimchi or yogurt to reinforce healthy microbes. Real-life transformations. Many people report shedding several pounds of water weight, reduced waist circumference by an inch or two, and boosted mental focus within just 3-5 days. The ritual also becomes a mental reset strategy, starting each day with intentional nourishment and presence. Recipe: apple and pear gut cleanse. Drink ingredients per serving: 1 medium organic apple cord, peeled optional; 1 medium organic pear, cord, peeled optional; 1/2 cup filtered water or more if blending, optional; juice of half a lemon, a few mint leaves or a pinch of grated ginger. Instructions: wash fruit thoroughly. Core apple and pear. If using conventional produce, peel first, chop into chunks, add to blender with water. Blend on high until smooth, about 45-60 seconds. If you prefer juice, strain through fine mesh, reserving pulp for oatmeal or smoothies later. Pour into a glass, stir in lemon juice, mint, or ginger if using. Drink slowly in the morning. Rinse the blender and use leftover pulp in baking or compost. Serving suggestion: enjoy this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Follow with warm water or herbal tea. Wait 30 minutes before breakfast. Your invitation to act now: use these winning titles, hashtags, keywords, and thumbnail texts to bring maximum click-through and engagement on YouTube. Titles like "Transform your digestion forever with apple pear plant-based cleansing power," captivate and promise real results. Thumbnail phrases like "lighter in 7 days" or "gut reset now" catch attention and appeal to viewer desire. Hashtags such as hashtag "feel lighter now," hashtag "gut reset journey," and hashtag "YouTube cleanse challenge" signal actionable transformation. Keywords like apple pear gut cleanse and feel lighter after cleanse help your video be found by viewers seeking fast yet sustainable digestive improvements.